All right, welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. Let me know down below in the comments, how's your day going? It's been a busy one here, and I'm excited because FedEx just dropped these off. Shout out to the FedEx worker, whoever you are out there, and shout out to all the UPS, FedEx, United States Postal Service, the delivery drivers. This right here, we have the Adidas AE1 Low in the lime green colorway. I think they should have called these like the wolf something, because this colorway goes so good with the Minnesota Timberwolves jerseys, and that is kind of famously how this colorway got so popular during the NBA playoffs, is because Anthony Edwards and the Minnesota Timberwolves, they made a run all the way to the Western Conference Finals. He debuted some brand new colorways, and this one colorway right here, the internet was going crazy at this specific time, talking about this colorway. If they would have dropped this colorway that week, they would have flew off shelves everywhere. You can pick them up in the YouTube shopping tab. There are some select sizes that are still available. So if you are interested in this colorway, they're really good. Chef's kiss. Like I said, it goes so good with the Minnesota Timberwolves jerseys, and especially at the price point. I think these lows come in at $120. I think that's what they are. You can check there in the YouTube shop tab, but you can't beat $120 for a sneaker like this that's pretty lightweight. They're comfortable. You could rock these on a daily basis because we do get boost there in the forefoot, also in the heel, and you can kind of see the hit of boost there in the heel. And for $120, can't beat it. And then in terms of basketball, kind of got off topic there. The grip on this semi-translucent build is phenomenal. At first, I was kind of like, I don't like the low top. But man, seeing these in person, we got to get these on foot. Let's get them on foot. Now, first, let's talk sizing. This shoe does fit true to size, and I'm even on the wider side of things in terms of my foot for the width, and true to size is good for me. So I would imagine most people out there are going to be good true to size. Now, the surprising thing about this shoe is that it's, like I said, it's very comfortable. And you wouldn't really think that too much for a basketball shoe. But if you're just a fan of Adidas, Anthony Edwards, or just this lime green colorway, then this is going to be a really good pair of sneakers that you can pick up for a really good price. The top down look with, of course, the black laces, which if you had like some lime green laces that you could swap out in these, which I think Anthony did sometime throughout the playoffs, that would go crazy. These are very good, a lot like a lot of the colorways of the AE1s. They're very dressable. They've come in, monochromatic tones, 2 tones, 3 tones. But let us know down below in the comments, what are your thoughts on the Adidas AE1? Have you picked a pair up yet? This is one of the best basketball shoes for the entire year. And in terms of a signature initial release, this was the most anticipated probably since LaMelo Ball. Hopefully LaMelo Ball can play basketball this year. Getting off topic, but let us know your thoughts on the Adidas AE1 Low and this lime green colorway down below in the comments. And if you love sneaker reviews like this, we would love to have you as part of the Sneaker Huddle family. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to check out new content right there. And God bless each and every one of you. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.